Okay, so we start to look at number 8, and so we see that we have a degree, so like similar to number 7, we want to move that out in front due to our power property, and anywhere where we see division, we know expanding that logarithm, we need to subtract that. So we have a cubed in front of our b, so it's 3 log base 8 of b minus 2 log base 8 of c. And this chicken scratch where it looks really sloppy is an A. So that would be our final answer for number 8. And that's how we want to expand logs, right? So anytime I ask you to expand, I'm asking you to take something that's written as a single log, and then I want you to put it in using our properties as many times as you can write log as you can. So now for 9 and 10, we're doing the exact opposite. Here I'm giving you multiple logs, and I want you to write it as a single log. So with 7, when I had multiplication, I added. So now that I see addition, I know that I'm going to need to have multiplication. So I know that it's log base 3, and I know that's going to be the only time I need to do that. So I see a 5 out in front, which makes me know that I have b to the 5th due to my power rule, and then I'm going to have e to the 6th. And that is exactly how it would look if we condensed this logarithm. That would be our final answer. And then as we go to look at 10, it's a little bit more complex. We actually have a negative and then a power that's a fraction. So don't let a fraction scare you. We just want you to simplify it. So we're going to do the exact same kind of properties here. We know we're only going to want to write log base 3 one time. And then from log base 3, we have in parentheses an a plus a b, which makes us know that we multiply those two things together. But then we have that whole thing subtracted by this part, which means that we need to divide it by c, but we still remember we have this coefficient out in front, so we have to the negative 4/7. So that would be how you write that. So I know it's using multiple different properties in one equation, but if we break it up and just simplify that to where we just think of it as we know what a plus b is multiplication, we know what subtraction is, division, and we know anytime we see a number in front and we want to rewrite it as a single log, it needs to go as our degree. So for the next video, I'm going to do all the graphs for these, and we can go over that in the next video.